Got me falling for you. Sidestep,
We got the brookie.
both ways like a cyclone. I think it might happen any day. What do I know? I don't have it your way. Got me for you, falling for you, falling for you. Tell me, do you love hardcore?
Hi guys, welcome back to Daily with me, Then good morning, because this is our day 4 here in Sydney. And check out na din tayo for today's video sa ating first hotel. This is the Crown Plaza Sydney Airport Hotel. So guys, for today's video, medyo gloomy yung weather ngayon. And probably, ang mga pupuntahan lang natin, or hindi pa natin sure because parang mga sponty yung mga lakad talaga natin for the past 3 days. And for today's video, baka magpunta tayo sa University of Sydney, Queen Victoria Building, meron ding park. So, yun lang yung mga alam ko muna na baka puntahan natin. But currently kasi ngayon, very gloomy day. So, ayun. And then, yun, nakapag-impacts na kami or nakapag-impake na kami and we're about to check out. Pero breakfast muna. So, for the past 3 days, siguro hindi ako nakapag-end vlog and short vlogs lang lahat. So, ayun, I feel bad talaga na ganun yung nagiging vlog natin. But, hopefully, for the next 4, siguro this will be 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hopefully, maging longer videos na and then makapag-explain na din ako sa inyo. Medyo nako-confuse lang or hindi naman ako-confuse na nako-conscious lang talaga ako guys na baka kasi alam mo yon very ma-conscious sila din na nagvi-video ako here in Australia. Pero so far naman hindi naman dito sa Sydney. And I'm very thankful for that na hindi sila masyadong, alam mo yun, conscious na pagka nag-video ko, pag nakunan sila, magkagalit sila or what. So, thankful naman ako doon na part. But, yun nga, I am hoping for a longer video sana. But, so far guys, for the 3 days namin here in Sydney, sobrang na-appreciate ko talagang Sydney. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talagang Sydney. Parang gusto ko talaga here. Parang nagustuhan ko talaga. Parang very underrated siya for me because parang hindi ko siya masyadong naririnig. Pero oh my God, ang ganda pala. Parang kasi maraming mga bad media na nakikita ko sa social media na parang about Australia na racist. Pero maganyan. Though meron naman. Pero for my experience na first hand, wala guys. So, and maraming mga Muslim akong nakikita dito here in Sydney. And wala naman silang sinasabi. Medyo nakaka-intimidate nga lang yung English nila because parang yung accent lang talaga. Minsan naglo-loading ako. Sabi ko, ano daw? Kasi nakakaintindi ako guys. I mean, yung accent lang medyo may deep na parang mas lang ganon. So, ayan lang guys. And so, hopefully for today's video, though gloomy, hopefully maging okay tayo sa ating itinerary. So, yeah, good morning guys, and this is our day 4 here in Sydney. Bye! See you guys mamaya kung ano mga puntahan natin, okay? Hi guys! So, andito na tayo sa breakfast and nakain ko na din, mostly nakakain na ako. I just had hash brown, egg, fruits, tapos meron din tayong overnight oats, tapos cereal. Ang dami ko kinain. And guys, ang pinaka-highlight kung bakit ako nag-video is ipapakita ko sa inyo ang reaction ko while eating the famous Vegemite. So guys, nung nandun kami kasi sa Paddy's Market, meron dong Vegemite na parang small na lalagyan. So, hindi kami bumili kasi baka hindi namin magustuhan, sayang naman yung pera, no? Sayang yung binayad. But, nakita pala ako. Ngayon ko lang nakita, parang for the past 3 days na nandito kami, ngayon ko lang nakita na may Vegemite pala dito. Na, maliit lang naman siya, ayan. And I also had a croissant here na may butter. Just in case na hindi ko magustuhan yung Vegemite, may butter ako. So, let's try my first reaction at the Vegemite. Okay. Lift daw dito, yun. Let's open. Oh my God, iba yung amoy guys. Ito yung amoy nito. Oh my God. Ibo yung amoy niya. Guys, no offense, man. Bakit ganito yung amoy niya? Sorry. Parang soy sauce. Parang, alam mo yung fermented soy sauce? Pero guys, this Vegemite, kung siya, kinoconsider nila siya na parang, alam mo yung spread, palaman sa mga bread. So, okay, let's try. Tatakot ako. So, let's try, guys. The famous Vegemite. I'm gonna try it na parang dito sa ating croissant. Okay, just a small portion. Sige na nga, damihan na natin. Nagtatry-try pa ako, tapos parang hindi naman din talagang try. I'm just gonna try it on croissant kasi ayoko toast bread. Natatakot ako, sorry. Guys, sorry, hindi ko kaya. Yung nagbibiro, hindi ko kaya, guys. Para siyang... Hindi ko ma-explain. I don't know, hindi ko siya ma-explain. Para siyang... Ewan ko, ibang substance. I'm sorry, Vegemite is a no for me. It's a no for me. So, parang... Tinry ko lang siya kasi, guys. Sikat siya sa Australia. Parang ito talaga yung spread nila. I don't know why. Pero, Vegemite is a no for me. So, yeah. So, I might use the butter na lang. Ito, magbabutter na lang ako sa aking croissant. So, guys, sige, I'll eat na, guys. And I'll just show you guys kung ano yung first reaction ko. Hindi ko talaga ma-explain, guys. Para siyang, hindi siya soy sauce. Kasi may soy sauce na fermented. Kaya ko pa. Pero, parang, alam mo yun, chemical, something ganun. Anyway, guys, it's no for me. And yeah, I'll just enjoy the rest of my breakfast. Bye! Guys, nag-search ako. And nilalagyan nila ng butter bago yung Vegemite. So, let's try. Parang, let's give it a chance. So, I have a butter here. And I'm gonna try to spread it in the croissant. Tapos, saka natin lalagyan ng Vegemite, okay? Pero naman, baka naman kasi yung reaction ko masyadong OA naman. So, let's give it a chance naman. So, yan. Vegemite na may butter, okay? Ayan. Let's try again. Medyo nalalasa niya yung totoong lasa ng Vegemite. Pero, it's a no pa rin for me. Parang hindi ko pa rin talaga gusto. Bakit ganito kaya walang laman, wala tang spread? Bakit kaya ganun yung lasa ng Vegemite? Guys, I tried to give it a chance, pero though na mild niya yung taste ng Vegemite, it's still a no for me. So, might not eat it na. And yeah. Bye! So guys, naiwan na namin sa hotel. Yung second hotel namin, yung luggage namin, nasa Park Ridges City Center siya. Now we are in CBD and nakakita pa rin kami ng mga magagandang landmark here. Magaganda, like for example, this is the town hall nila. Ang ganda. So, ngayon, may malapit na Woolworths sa akin. Parang, pag nakakita ko ng mga grocery, Woolworths parang ang saya. May malapit pala. Sobrang lapit, which is so good. Guys, nandun lang, wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Nandun lang yung hotel namin, nandun. Tapos ito yung Woolworths. So guys, if you wanted to, nasa Condensya, may malapit din na train sa amin, yung train station na Town Hall. So, if you want to go here na makonsider nyo yung hotel namin, nasa Park Ridges Sydney Center siya. Okay, so, ganda. Hi guys! So, nasa bus na kami. Sumakay kami, malapit lang din sa hotel din namin at saka dun sa may Queen Victoria building. Dito kami sa may Hyde Park bus station sa Makati. Tapos, we are now, instead, ang dami naming, alam mo na, yung nangyari, hindi, paiba-iba talaga ng mga decisions. Anyway, so we decided na lang na pumunta ng University of Sydney kasi tumila naman yung ulan. And ngayon, bus yung sasakyan namin kasi parang hindi na kami masyadong maglakad. And mas maganda na bus na lang din para at least matry din namin yung bus. So, yeah, currently we're going to University of Sydney. Doon lang sa quadrangle nila kasi doon lang naman yung okay na mag-picture or pumunta as a tourist. So, yeah. See you there! So guys, we are now here at University of Sydney. And ang ganda ng university nila. Oh my gosh. Sana all. Sana all ganito university. Ang ganda. Everything is so nice. Parang very yung architecture ng wait lang, hiya kasi ako guys kasi may mga student na nakatingin na yan. So yan. Ang ganda guys. Oh. Yan. It was very silent. Yung nila, yung ganda. Pero, ang pwede lang natin puntahan guys is yung sa quadrangle. Kasi that is for the tourists. Pero, aside from that, hindi na pwede kasi mga yun for students. Tapos na kami doon sa my quadrangle kasi doon lang yung pwede namin or doon lang tayo, yung mga tourists, doon na siya pwede dito sa loob ng quadrangle mag picture taking kasi yun nga, the rest is hindi pwede kasi prohibited kasi for the students and faculties. So tapos na kami and natripan nilang kumain dito lang din sa loob ng campus. So yeah, let's go. Ganda ng nila guys, oh. Nandito na kami guys. Malapit lang siya din doon sa quadrangle. So, ang na-choose namin is parang may Papa Rich Malaysian cuisine at saka Nene Chicken dito. So, dito kami kakain. So, guys, dito guys, meron tayong Papa Rich Malaysian cuisine tapos may Nene Chicken dito. And then, ito yung order natin. We have Nene Chicken, then, Nene Doshirak na merong wingit. Ayan. Wingit, rice, and salad. Let's eat! Guys, tapos na kami lunch and we're now going to the Arts Museum of New South Wales. So, magbabas kami and let's go. Let's go!
Under attack.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Queen Victoria Building after namin sa Arts Gallery in New South Wales. And ito siya guys. So guys, we have our room tour here at Park Regis Sydney Center. And we are in the room 706. Oh, bungad sa atin itong traveler. A person who travels or who have traveled to places far away from home and who explore distant land. Wow, sana all. Okay, the first thing guys is makikita mo is, sige, start tayo from here. So itong una makikita mo. We have here a large mirror. Ayan. Okay, wait. And then we also have here the bathroom. Ayan. Meron sila dito hand and body wash. Tapos a good size na mirror. And then ang cute ng kanila faucet na may ganito. Then ano naman sa loob? Oh, just something. And then the towels, the toilet. Wala tayong bidet guys kasi hindi sila bibidet dito. And then mga amenities lang. And then yung shower. Katabi niya yung window, but I think dito nabubuksan naman eh. And then meron na din sila mga shampoo, conditioner, ayan. We're staying guys at the Park Regis. Okay, moving on, we are greeted by a good painting or good pictures done. And guys, by the way, na-upgrade tayo from twin room, naging na-upgrade tayo ng, ano sabi ni Kuya, parang superior triple room. So, kaya meron tayong king bed and then single bed. So, yan yung bed natin. Actually, guys, okay naman yung bed. Very nice naman siya. So, and over here, sorry, nandito na yung mga grocery namin from Woolies. Water lang naman siya, noodles, kasi nagka-crave lang din kami ng noodles. And then, nandito yung TV, the aircon is there. Ang ganda ng vanity, very large table. At the same time, ang ganda din ng, meron din tayong lagayan ng bag. And over here, guys, ito yung talagang amenities nila. So, bakit ba? Talagang very madilim naman dito. Hold on, let's see. Madilim talaga siya, guys. So, over here, guys, meron tayo dito mga cog mugs, mga baso, cups. And then, napansin ko, guys, sa previous hotel namin, may Nespresso kami. So, dito naman, iba yung Nespresso nila, but it's called Espresso Toria System. So, ito yung mga pods niya. Ayan. We also have mga sugars, ganyan. Ayan. Then, meron din silang pati bag here. So, for sure, gagamitin natin to. And we also have kettle. And then, nagustuhan ko na talaga, guys, dito sa Australia is meron silang iron board at saka ironing talaga. Sobrang ganda. And then, safety deposit box and the, what is it called? The refrigerator na laging may free milk. Instead ng water, guys, ang free nila is milk. Okay, and over here, this is our, okay, hold on. There's our view, medyo, we're on the 7th floor, and this is our view, the CBD in, I forgot our street. Di bale, guys, I will look mamaya anong street namin, but, ayan, katapat lang namin yung Starbucks. So, if you're going to stay here at Park Regis Sydney Center, ayan lang yung Starbucks sa baba. And sobrang lapit din ng Woolworths. So, yan. Fourth and last day here at Sydney kasi tomorrow we are going to Melbourne. So, yun ang next natin pupuntahan. We're going to Melbourne tomorrow. Last full day namin today. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye! Hi guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa domestic terminal ng Sydney Airport. And guys, ang ganda ng kuha nila. Domestic nila. Look. Magbe-breakfast kayo? Ay, ni yung brookie. Nakikita ko yan sa, oh my God, I see this, I see this sa TikTok. Brookie. Yeah, try natin guys. Nakikita ko to sa,
Ayun, may KFC.
guys, nakikita ko to sa TikTok, sa Facebook. Brookie.
Parang masarap to one.
Oh my God.
Salted caramel.
I see this one, I see this sa TikTok yung may-ari ng Brookie. And I'm always wanted to try. Oh my gosh. Hi. Guys, we're getting the box of 6 and here at Brookie.
One Nutella. And then, between the two, the cinnamon roll and the salted caramel, which is your best?
Well, this one is they're very similar. They're both May flavors, so but
Yeah.
this one is like a bit different to all the other cookies because it's a cinnamon cookie.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this one is quite sweet because it has like good salt.
What's your favorite?
I prefer that.
Okay,
We'll get that one.
Okay. No. Guys, we're here at Sydney Domestic Airport and we bought the Brookie. Guys, nakikita ko to sa TikTok and I love the owner. Ang ganda ng box. And later guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung flavor na nakuha namin. Come on guys. Yeah, we got the Brookie. We have Seoul Origin. Wow, ang sarap ng bread nila. Wow, man croissant. Look how sarap. And Mrs. Fields. Coffee din nata to eh. Oh yeah, okay. This is a coffee too. Then we have ice. Hot. Saan kaya ako guys o-order ng coffee? Guys, so kapag gusto nyo tanongin yung friend nyo, na ngayon ko lang naririnig yung mapag-uusap nila. So if you want to ask someone or your friend kung ano gusto nila dapat, what do you fancy? Parang gano'n. So what do you fancy? Parang, anong gusto mo? Pero in a very socialing way, what do you fancy? So, I'm still waiting for my order. It's a latte caramel. Actually, kay Cedric to eh. Ako parang ayoko pa rin uminom or I don't know. So guys, very overwhelming talaga yung nandito ako. Parang, alam mo yun, parang though hindi ako nasa America, but, or nasa US, parang very so nice. Thank you. So, ito na yung caramel natin. Punta na natin si Sed. So, nakaupo over there. Guys, medyo nakakon kayo slant. Kasi, oh my God, it's so hot. Where are they nga? Ayun pala sila. Oh my God, ang init. Oh my God, ang init. So, nakaupo na kami, nakahanap na kami ng maupuan here dito sa parang food court nila. We're actually here, again, medyo chaotic yung first couple of clips because medyo na-overwhelm ako. But again, we're here at the Sydney Airport Domestic Terminal departure kasi pupunta kami ng Melbourne. And guys, nandito kami sa may what is it called? Again, andito kami sa food court nila. Ang guys, nung pagkapasok namin, nakita nyo naman sa reaction ko, nakita ko tong Brookie. So, itong Brookie guys, kung hindi nyo napapansin or napapanood sa TikTok, meron, medyo napapanood ko kasi siya sa TikTok ko, yung may-ari ng Brookie. And, amazing yung mga cookies na binebenta niya. So, nung nakita ko to, na-amaze ako. So, bumili kami ni Aini. Ng, this one is a box of 6. And it costs $45 Australian dollars. So, roughly nasa around 2K. Imagine 2K. Roughly around 2,000 siya. So, ewan ko, ba't namin siya binili? And assorted namin siya binili. So, let's open kung anong laman niya. So guys, ayan yung laman niya. Ang cute ng box, ang bigat ng box. And yeah. So first flavor natin, we have New York cookie. We have a New York cookie. Ayan. Guys, gaano kalaki ng face lock ko. So we have New York cookie. We have red velvet cookie. We have chocolate chip cookie. We also have cookie butter cookie. Cookie butter cookie. We have milk chocolate hazelnut cookie. Ayan. And we have yung favorite daw nung, I think this is the cinnamon. Yung favorite daw nung teller. It's a brookie but it's cinnamon cookie. So, picture ka lang guys. Then, we'll taste it. So guys, bumili tayo ng water kasi kaya ang mahal ng water nila. It's $6.50 around this one. This is nang sa Gcash ko, chinek ko. It's 286 pesos. This one. Pero I want water. Yung coffee kanina niya said it's around 350 pesos. So it's a large, regular caramel latte. So guys, let's try the brookie. So ang titikman namin, share na lang kami ni si Dre. Is, anong gusto mo i-try? Si Aini, anong gusto mo i-try, Aini? What do you want to try? Ayan.
May bunga ko ng bisco. Hindi, pero masarap
Parang
ito
wala
yun.
siyang bisco.
Hindi niya nilagay?
Parang,
Ano nilagay niya? Yung butter siguro yung nilagay
hindi,
niya.
yung cook.
Siguro kasi katabi nung ano.
Yan.
Okay lang.
Cookie butter cookie. Ito yung cinnamon ata, yung brookie lang ang name.
Try na lang natin yung pinaka-New York. Ito yung bestseller nila.
Yeah. Share na lang tayo.
Niya.
Guys, ang bigat
bigat
niya. Like siguro 150 grams siguro to or more than. More than pa siguro. Oh, wait, see me. Meron naman siyang nutritional value here. 145 nga. Yun nga, 150 grams.
Ang
So,
bigat niya. Alam mo
sharing kami ni Aini. Ayan, Aini. Sige, first impression. Si Aini muna. Siya na magbubukas dyan. So, anong gusto mo i-try? Choose ka ng flavor. Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. Wala
So-
pong marshmallow?
Cinnamon lang.
Hindi.
Chocolate chip. Wait. Okay, na first impression ni Aini. Sarap.
Ano ko ng chip?
Talagang kuan. Hold on, guys. Sige, anong first impression mo, Aini?
Type ko. Kasi hindi siya ganun katigas. Very moist.
Parang may walnut, no? May nuts? Wala naman.
Parang wala. Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. So, masarap daw siya, guys. So, ako din, tatry ko. We're gonna try the other half.
Hindi siya ganun ka-sweet. Which is okay sa akin. Pero alam mo yung pang tatlong patty mo siya.
Siesta. So, ito try. Hindi, may nuts ata siya.
Meron. Nabait ko na.
Walnut. Ayun.
Ano yan last?
Oh. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Diba, moist?
Yeah, very
Solid.
moist. Very
Hindi
moist.
ko dito mga cookies na
Saka
matigas-tigas.
gusto ko yung chocolate na ginamit na.
Hindi siya overly sweet. Para siyang dark chocolate.
Pero parang alam mo yung mga high-end chocolate yung ginamit niya. Parang yung taste niya kasi different eh.
Wala na chocolate chip.
Sobrang kuha niya ako.
Maraming ko.
Ano coffee?
Mahilig man sila ng coffee dito.
Mami, iba yung coffee culture nila sa...
Parang Vietnam.
Haka. Ito yung bite. Parang bagus. Hello guys, so we have arrived here at Avalon Airport and we are now going to ride the Sky Bus. Ayan, ayun yung Sky Bus. Ayan. So guys, we're now going to ride the Sky Bus going to Melbourne City. So again, we're now here at Avalon Airport. Hi guys! So, kakalabas lang namin from, hindi ko kayo na-update, pero sumakay kami ng Skybus from Avalon Airport, sumakay kami ng Skybus. May Skybus doon, papuntang Melbourne City. And kakababa lang namin ng bus terminal. So, a good thing guys, here in Melbourne, until May, end of May this year, is free doon lahat ng transportation nila. Mapa, train, tram, bus, lahat free.
Pero pagka half price na.
Pagka June daw, half price na siya. So, good thing kasi hindi na kami bibili ng Mikey card kasi medyo may kamahalan din. Katulad nung nagpunta kami sa My Sydney, meron kaming natira pang I think $5 sa Opal card namin. So, doon nga, ang mangyari is sasakay kami ngayon ng tram going to our hotel sa Zeta Dines on Brook. And yun, magta-tram kami. And it's free guys. Tinanong ko yung bus driver, ay hindi, mag-ingat ka. So, tinanong naman yung bus driver namin. Sabi niya, yeah, you just hop on and hop off. So, it's, diba? So, free naman. Why not? Ang ganda talaga. So, right now, we're outside the Southern Cross. Ayan, nasa Southern Cross station kami. Ito. Ayan, guys. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo guys, ayan. Tapos katapat niya yung Moving Peak. Ang ganda ng Moving Peak ko. Ayan. Ang Moving Peak. Ayan. Ayan yung Moving Peak. Tapos ayan, Southern Cross Station. Papuntang airport. Pwede din dito. So, yun nga. We'll be riding a tram. Ayun. Yun yung stop na ng tram. So, diretso lang kami. And we'll be not paying anything kasi nga free. So, come on, let's go. So, currently, wow, ang gaganda naman ng architecture ng building here in Melbourne. Ayan, no? So, yeah, so we'll be
We're going the wrong way.
ayun, tram po eh.
Parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Darker spirits in your parted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know.
So guys, nakasakay na kami ng tram. And ang saya. So, na-feel ko lang magsakay sa tram nila. So, yeah, we're here.
I'll never know.
First day at Zeta Dines. Dines on Brook. Let's go, guys. So, guys, here at 416. So, ito ang room tour natin here at Zeta Dines on Brook. So, upon entering, ito agad mabubungad sa inyo, guys. This is a refrigerator. So, anong meron? Ay, may free milk. Pero isa lang. So, we also have, kettle. Diyan yung mga teas. So, parang mini kitchen siya, guys. Pwede ka magluto dito. Ito yung, ang tawag dito, sink. And over here, parang siyang talaga. Yan yung mga plato, spoon and fork. Ayan, meron din siyang toaster. Ayan. Strainer kung gusto niyo magpasta. Ayan. So, different talaga. So, over here, we have the... Ang gusto ko talaga dito, guys, sa Australia, meron lagi silang iron board. So, ayan, may iron board, iron, safety deposit box, and life-size mirror. Hi, guys! And over here, meron din tayong vanity, parang separate yung wet and dry. So, ayan. May sink, may mirror. Diyan na din yung mga towels. May toilet. And, of course, the shower. Ooh. Yung shower nila. Okay, over here, meron tayong parang mini sala set here. and the vanity or desk over here, and the TV, and we have a bed, twin bed, yan. And then wala naman tayong view here. Wow guys, meron sila ditong wireless charging, oh. Citadines wireless charging. Okay. Bye.